Hey everyone, and welcome back to Trend Xpress. We've got some massive news coming out of the tech world today. Amazon has just announced a huge round of layoffs, cutting around 14,000 corporate jobs. But here's the twist that has everyone talking. CEO Andy Jassy says these cuts aren't about saving money, and they're not because of AI. He says it's about something much deeper: culture. So let's break down what's really going on here. Jassy explained in a recent memo that Amazon has grown so rapidly over the past few years that it's become too layered, too slow, and way too complicated. He wants to rebuild the company into a faster, more efficient version of its former self. In his exact words, it's a culture reset. Now, that might sound like a fancy way to say restructuring, but what makes this so interesting is that these cuts are happening while Amazon's business is actually booming. The company just reported its strongest cloud growth since 2022, and its powerhouse division, AWS, continues to dominate the market. So, if this isn't about financial trouble, what's the real reason for the layoffs? It looks like Amazon is targeting what some are calling managerial bloat. They're cutting out middle layers of management and shifting their focus back toward innovation and speed. It's a bold move, one that could definitely make the company leaner and more agile. But it also means thousands of workers, mostly in corporate and HR teams, are now out of a job. This has a lot of people asking the big question: is this really about culture? Or is AI quietly playing a role behind the scenes? Amazon insists that AI is not the direct cause, but it's impossible to ignore how automation is reshaping the modern workplace. HR systems, logistics, and even cloud management tools are getting smarter every single day. So, while AI might not be the official reason, you have to wonder if it's part of the bigger picture. What's even more fascinating is the timing. Other tech giants like Google and Meta have also been cutting jobs this year, using similar language like restructuring or streamlining. It's almost like a trend is emerging: fewer humans, faster systems, and more automation. Still, Jassy is firm that the goal isn't to make Amazon smaller, but to make it more creative, more responsive, and more customer-focused. The idea is to fundamentally rebuild the company's DNA before bureaucracy takes over completely. For now, Amazon's stock has reacted positively to the news, and investors seem to be on board with this new direction. But for the employees affected, it's another tough chapter in the ongoing wave of tech layoffs that continues to reshape Silicon Valley and beyond. So, what do you think? Is this really about improving company culture? Or are AI and cost-cutting the real story here? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trend Xpress for more updates on the tech trends shaping our world. See you in the next one.